Hey everyone, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor. Today we're going to talk about how to get paid big bucks from the home you own. So, being in this real estate industry for over 19 years, I've come across all kinds of clients. Some first-time homeowners, sometimes investors, just different types of clients. And sometimes I get the question of what should I do, or what property should I buy first? This is not going to be my forever home. Some are single, some are married, some have kids. And this is some information that I think a lot of people don't know about, and I want to be able to share it with you on today. Okay, so basically we're going to talk about how to get paid big bucks from owning your own home. For any questions, any concerns later on, please direct message me or put them in the comments, and I'd love to get back with you and answer those questions for you. Again, just to introduce myself, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor. I'm licensed in the state of Florida, also in the state of Georgia. And we're going to talk about how to get paid big bucks from owning your own home. So just dive right on into it. You ready? So one of the ways is, of course, is through traditional financing. And most people either use conventional, FHA, USDA, or VA. That's what financing. Of course, if you have cash, it's a different scenario. So we're going to deal with financing today. And today we're going to talk about just financing as a whole, and we can break those down later. So we're going to deal with financing, getting paid through financing your own home. And how can you do that? The main way that I see it being done, and I've helped previous clients do it before, is purchasing a duplex, a triplex, or a quadruplex. And anything under 4 units is residential. So let's get that out the way. Anything above 4 units, 5 or more, is commercial property. So you can do that as if you're an owner occupying a home in which you are going to be owner occupying that home. So basically, in a nutshell, you're going to go get financing just like you normally would to purchase a single family residential home. But this way, what you're going to do is either buy a duplex, triplex, or quadruplex. And you're going to live in one unit and collect rent from the other units. So, of course, if you're in a quadruplex, which is a 4-unit building, you're going to live in one and collect rent from the other 3. Same thing with the triplex. You're going to live in one and collect rent from the other 2. And a duplex, you're going to live in one and collect rent from the other 1. This is the big way to get big bucks in owning your own home. And you can rent and repeat this as long as you want to. So what I mean by that is, typically, I have some homeowners that may live in that home for 1 year to 2 years, then rent out all 4, 3, or 2, and then start it all over again as an owner occupier. And you can do this with conventional, FHA, or VA. So conventional, you typically put away 3, 5, or 10% down based on your scores and all the other credit stuff. FHA, 3.5% down. And what I love the most is VA. With VA, 100%, I have clients get 100% financing, no closing costs. Basically, you get into a duplex, triplex, or quadruplex with no money down. You enter the home, and now you have someone, guess what, paying your mortgage. Or if you want to pay your own mortgage, they may be paying for that car you drive. They may be paying for that vacation you take. They may be just paying to pay down your student loan or your debts. So this is a great way to get started. If you'd like to know more about this information or to get started on this awesome program, you can contact me at www.earlknighton.com or just direct message me or leave me a message in the comments. Again, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor. Today, we just talked about how to get paid big dollars from owning your own home. And yes, it is that simple to do so. Until next time, thank you again for tuning in to Earl Knighton's video today.